Hey, so check it out. Got this today from eBay. It's a Marx 1829. It has a smoke unit as well as a traction tire. The traction tire I didn't even realize, so that was kind of a nice bonus. It also has a New York Central tender, one that I've never seen New York Central on before. I've been told it's not as common. And I have also the more rare New York Central passenger cars, the silver ones with the blue lettering. This isn't the shell that came with the 1829. That shell I'm going to be doing some repair on, but I like this motor better than the one that was in it because it has a traction tire. So I'll repair that shell and I'll use it for a project. But anyway, we'll take it for a spin. It smokes really good and it runs really well too. And the reverse unit cycles as it should. Put a brand new pair of motor brushes in it, as I do all my locomotives. And I had to put a new headlight bulb in it too. And as I like to do, we'll pick up the camera and we'll follow it around a little bit. And now we'll set the camera back down and try to do it carefully, so that's good. And we'll bring her in for a stop. Alright, runs great, smokes really great. The new motor brushes, usually if there's a problem with the performance in any Marx motor, the motor brushes is an easy cure. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.